SAP Jobs for Freshers 2025, Best SAP Modules, Training and Salary Guide. Are you a fresher looking to start your career in IT? SAP is one of the best ways to enter the tech industry in 2025. In this video, I'll explain the best SAP modules for freshers, training paths, and salary expectations. What is SAP? SAP, Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, is a German software company that makes one of the world's leading ERP systems. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, equals software that helps companies manage everything in one place. Finance and accounting, human resources, sales and marketing, supply chain and logistics, manufacturing and operations. SAP is used by 90% of Fortune 500 companies, and because it's so widely adopted, professionals with SAP skills are in high demand globally. In one line, SAP is business management software that helps companies run their entire business efficiently, and learning it opens high-paying IT career opportunities. Why companies hire SAP freshers in 2025? 1. Digital transformation, S/4HANA migration. Thousands of companies are shifting from old SAP systems to S/4HANA, latest version. They need new talent to support these projects at lower cost compared to only senior consultants. 2. Cost-effective talent. Hiring freshers is cheaper than hiring only experienced consultants. Companies train freshers internally and shape them into long-term resources. 3. Skill gaps in SAP. There's a shortage of SAP consultants in areas like FICO, SD, SuccessFactors, Analytics Cloud. Freshers with certification help fill these gaps quickly. 4. Adaptability and new mindset. Freshers are flexible and open to learning the latest technologies, cloud, AI, SAP BTP. Easier to train compared to senior employees who may be set in older methods. 5. Future workforce planning. IT giants like Infosys, TCS, Accenture, and SAP Labs India are investing in building future SAP experts. Hiring freshers ensures a pipeline of skilled professionals for upcoming projects. In one line, companies hire SAP freshers in 2025 because they are cost-effective, adaptable, and ready to learn new SAP technologies like S/4HANA, helping organizations close skill gaps and build future talent pipelines. Best modules for freshers. 1. FICO, Finance, Accounting students. 2. Materials Management, Supply Chain. 3. SD, Sales, Marketing graduates. 4. HCM, SuccessFactors, HR students. Salary range: 3.5 to 6 LPA. SAP Training Roadmap 2025. Start with basics, free learning, openSAP, platform. openSAP, official free platform by SAP. Learn fundamentals like: what is SAP and ERP? Basics of S/4HANA, Fiori, Cloud, SAP BTP. Introductory courses, Finance, Logistics, HR, Analytics. Duration: 2 to 4 weeks, self-paced. Choose a module based on your background, interest, finance, commerce, right pointing arrow SAP FICO, S/4HANA Finance. HR background, right pointing arrow SAP SuccessFactors, HCM, Supply Chain, Logistics, right pointing arrow SAP SD, PP. Tech background, right pointing arrow SAP ABAP, SAP BTP, Analytics Cloud exploration first, then pick one module to master. Formal training and certification. Join authorized SAP training partners, SAP Learning Hub, private institutes, or online platforms like Coursera, Udemy for practice. Prepare for SAP Global Certification, valid worldwide. Certification shows proof of skills and improves hiring chances. Duration: 3 to 6 months. Hands-on practice. Practice on SAP demo systems, trial versions. Do mini projects like configuring SAP FICO for a company's accounts, setting up purchase to pay in creating sales order processes in SD. If possible, join internships or freelance projects. Build resume plus apply for jobs. Highlight: openSAP courses. SAP certification, projects, internships. Apply for its service companies, Infosys, TCS, Accenture, Wipro. SAP partner companies. Directly at SAP labs or MNCs. In one-line roadmap. Learn basics on openSAP. Choose a module. Do SAP certification. Gain hands-on projects, internships. Apply for jobs. Example. A commerce graduate can learn SAP FICO, finance and controlling, get certified, and land an entry-level SAP consultant role in areas like accounts, auditing, or financial reporting. So if you're a fresher, start with one SAP module, practice with projects, and aim for certification. In the next video, I'll share SAP career tips for job seekers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the full SAP career series.